What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So as you can tell, I got the house decorated. So decided to put a little bit more lights up this year. Got the little mega tree over here, a little miniature version. Can't forget the blow-ups over here. And then one of my favorite things is the star up on the roof. When we first bought this house, we don't really know what to put in that blank spot, but that thing kind of fits perfect up there. And last but not least, we got the Jeep. So I've been doing these lights for a few years now and never really gone over what you need to really run the lights on the Jeep. A lot of people think they're just the battery powered lights, but no, they actually run off the battery of the car. If you don't know what a power inverter is, I'll kind of go over that and show you some options that you guys can get. But let's go check it out. All right, so I kind of want to give you guys a quick look at this. Want to wait till daylight so you can see a little better. But I'll show you this power inverter that I'm running. All right, so I think you see that Krieger, but either way, I got this off of Amazon. I had a piece of Lexan that I cut out and made this little mount for. I don't have the subwoofer on this model, so I was able to fit this inverter. Now, this is a little overkill for Christmas lights, but the cool thing about this is you can use tools on it. So I've ran my my grinder. I used a soldering iron on it. I've hooked some lights up to it, but it's, there aren't many things that it can't power that you're gonna need. You could hook a TV up here, back here, if you wanted. I'll go ahead and turn my lights on and show you guys how many watts they pull. Another cool thing about this is it comes with a little external remote. Let's see if I can get that so it's not shining in the sun. But all I have to do is hit that button and it'll turn the inverter on from up here. So I don't have to go back there and turn it on every time I want to use them. I can just simply hit the power button on this thing and it'll turn the inverter on. And then you can hear that little beep. That means it's on. All right, so the cool thing about this is it shows the power it's pulling. So right now, that's showing battery voltage. It's at 12.2. This isn't with the Jeep running. That's just sitting here. So I can hit menu, and that'll show me how many watts it's pulling. So with the lights, with the front wreath, the back wreath, and the lights on top, all that, it's only pulling 31 watts of power. Now, the important thing to remember when you're using these lights, don't use incandescent Christmas lights. Go LED. All these lights I have on here, and they only pull 31 watts. So that's a cool feature of this inverter. You can always see what your battery voltage is at and how many watts of power your accessories pull in. So I'll go ahead and hook up one of my tools. I'll turn the lights off and hook up one of my grinder. Grinders pull a lot of power, and show you what kind of wattage it's pulling. All right, so with it running, look at that. You can show now it's pulling 14.6 volts with it running. Switch that over, showing 0. Turn the grinder on. So I just use regular extension cords on all this stuff, nothing special. I just have it zip tied to my tire carrier for right now. And then I just run the extension cords through the back. And you see I got the Christmas tree up here. And that was an actual Christmas tree for your house that I got at Walmart. And then I got some net lights. Everything. I just use zip ties on everything. I know when I go do the Christmas parades and stuff, if you're having a hard time finding attachment points, those command hooks, you can just stick them to your pane. They'll come right off after you're done with them. And then I had my mom actually make this at her previous job. She's a graphic designer, so she was able to get me some cool stuff. She mocked this up together and threw it together, but you know, it's one of a kind. You're not going to see this anywhere else. I added that little panel in the back to light it up, so you're getting a little bit of backlighting on it. But guys, if you like Christmas as much as I do, I highly suggest doing this. You're gonna get tons of looks on the road, so I hope you like attention. But I've never had an issue from a cop. Technically, it's probably not legal, but I've literally never had an issue with any cop when I've been running this. I've driven by, I've gotten compliments from ones by my house. So don't be afraid to, you know, throw them on the car if you're thinking, oh, I'm gonna get a ticket for it. Just don't put like flashing red and blue lights on there. I try to stick with the multicolor and the white, and you're kind of safe with that. So, you know, get over to Walmart, buy yourself some lights, a little power inverter. You can use the one that plugs into the cigarette lighter if you don't have a factory inverter. I know some of the Grand Cherokees come with a factory inverter. I think some of the new JL Wranglers do, same with the JT. You can use that on the factory plug-in because, like I said, those things are only pulling 30 watts. Now, if you want to put a lot more, you might be getting up there where you need a little bit bigger inverter. But even then, you know, you can get one for less than 50 bucks. So I don't know what's stopping you guys. You know, go get all your Jeeps decorated, whatever rig you've got, get some lights on there. It's my favorite thing to do every year. I used to actually do it early November, but by the time it got to Christmas, I was tired of looking at it. So I try to wait till after December 1st to get them on. But so as always, make sure to subscribe to the page for more content like this. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Have a Merry Christmas, guys. I'm looking forward to the new year. I've got some new mods coming up. So I will see you guys on the flip side.
Mm-hmm.